Some of the most popular outdoor hospitality tents go right back to the roots of the glamping phenomenon, recreating the outdoor safari tent from the African veldt. Our Rahat is a safari-style tent with the latest feature added. Note the traditional flap-style entry has been replaced with a hard wall and a digital locking secure front door. Other improvements are a modern HVAC system, smart building technology, and a stronger frame. This allows the tent to last longer and to have much better insulation, while also improving the wind resistance of the Rahat. The roof is supported by the beautiful carved bamboo or wood structural poles. The tent frame is specified with anti-corrosion and anti-rust strong steel tubes. Wind-resistant and pressure-resistant, Rahat can withstand winds up to 100 km/h and has excellent slow load resistance. The frame can have a lifespan of over 20 years, making Rahat one of the best venues in our collection of fine outdoor structures. The roof of the tent has two layers. The outer layer is made of PVDF membrane, which is melter-proof, soundproof, flame retardant, waterproof, easy to clean, and has a service life of up to 15 years. The inner layer is 500-gram professional outdoor canvas, which is mosquito-proof, insect-proof, heat insulation, and warm, and helps inside to maintain the indoor temperature. A striking unique characteristic of Rahat is the full glass front wall windows and doors with a digital locking system. The glass is double glazed, insulted to keep warm, soundproof, and noise-proof. Moreover, the glass front side walls provide a good view, allowing you to enjoy the outdoor scenery indoors. The glass walls are also equipped with curtains for additional nighttime privacy. Security and privacy are two major advantages inherent to the Rahat tent. Rahat is a hard-sided tent. The walls are covered with a compatible finish. We use a special high-quality sandwich board panel system, which is very well insulated to protect the tent from cold and heat. It can also extend the service life of the tent. The interior of the Rahat has a decorative partition wall to divide the bedroom and the bathroom spaces. The bedroom portion is about 27 square meters and can accommodate a king bed, night tables, 2 single sofas, a coffee table, a vertical air conditioner, a clothes rack, and a flower lab. And there is still plenty of interior space left for mobility inside the unit. The bathroom is about 8 square meters with a beautiful sustainable countertop of Ultra Zero or solid surface alkali, a sink, a toilet, and a walk-in shower. If you are interested in Rahat tent, please see the detailed link below and give us your ideas.